How to delete song on Audiomack. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to delete songs on Audiomack. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Audiomack on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can use the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I already opened my Audiomack Creator app, and right here on my app I can see all of my songs that I uploaded. And if I click the three dots right here on the right, these options will appear, and as you can see right there, I can delete my song right away. And yeah, that's it. If you click that, your song is done. And yeah, if you want to download it again, you can just click this button rightly on the top, this upload button. And yeah, that's how you delete songs on Audiomack. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.